In this video, I'll show you how to create artifacts on Claude. First of all, you need to log into your Claude account and you need to look at the left-hand side menu and click on Artifacts. Then click New Artifact in the top right and you need to pick the artifact category to start building your idea from the scratch. For example, games. Then you need to help the Claude to think about it, answer on Claude's questions. You can tell Claude to build it, and now it builds the artifact. So that's all. As you can see, Claude created an artifact. You can download it as an HTML or you can publish artifact. Just click Publish Artifact, then click Publish and copy the link. And that's all. Here will be our artifact link. If you go to artifacts, you will see your created artifacts. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.